Okay, how are we all doing again today? I hope that the tips are helping you. So the next tip, we're going to talk about the Chrome browser. Now, now, and let's see. I'm going to get a regular plain tab to come out. Okay, so here's the typical Chrome browser, right? So we're going to go into more tools, extensions. This is where it gets fun. If you want to go to places on the internet which is taboo, then you need to protect yourself. Now, for those of you who don't have premium on YouTube, you need to get ad blocker for YouTube. Boom. But if you have the YouTube premium for $11.99, you don't need the ad blocker for YouTube. But that's only for one account. So if you have more accounts, then you need the YouTube ad blocker for YouTube. If you have YouTube Premium and you have six family members, or you can have 6 accounts, then you don't need an ad blocker for YouTube. But if you have more than 6, you need ad block for YouTube. Okay, that gets rid of the ads. AdGuard ad blocker. Why do I have that on if I have this? Well, yeah, you need that. Okay, I don't have Amazon ecosystem anymore, so I have that turned off. I don't really need that. If you have Capital One credit card, you would turn that on. This one, CPU performance monitor, cleans up the memory, yeah, but it might slow down the machine. This goes with Capital One. Capital One, you turn it on. Now, Fair Ad Blocker. It blocks Facebook and YouTube annoyances. It's a pretty good program to have. I would recommend it. I recommend these so far. 1, 2. So look. I'll leave this on the screen. Ad guard block ad blocker, ad blocker for YouTube, fair ad blocker. Yes, you need these. Listen, you need to listen to them. And Ghosty protects you. Then I use Google Translate because people contact me in different languages, so I turn it on. You want to put HTTPS everywhere. Encrypts web automatically. Use HTTP. Well, most sites have this, so but it's best to have it. So I don't use this. Don't need to be used anymore. You use this in coding. Okay, so one tab speeds up memory, reduce the clutter for 95%. That's good. Play around with that. Then we got a pop-up blocker for Chrome. Pop-up blocks pop-ups, cookie messages, inside notifications, social media, and ads and more. So yes, that's something to get that one. You might have a hard time finding it, so you have to copy it. Highlight it and copy it, but it's there. Stop, reclaim, get rid of ads for free. This might be a little tricky. Try it and see if you use it. It's okay. Okay, that's another one to get is uBlock Original. It's easy on the CPU and the memory. This is a good. Then you get uBlock or Origin Extra. That's a companion. They need to be updated periodically. But trust me, you need these things. uBlock number 1. I block for Chrome. That's it. So that's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Listen, you're gonna say, well, gee, that's a lot of tools. Yeah, but you need them. I'm telling you, if you're gonna go to naughty sites and that's your business if you go to things like that. If you go watch movies that you're not supposed to watch, whatever it is that you're gonna do, or TV shows, well, everybody's gonna do whatever they want because the internet's it's like sky's the limit, as we say. That you can do whatever you want, and that's gonna block. Now, if you want more security, then the VPN blocking comes in. But the one I was using was free. I forget what it's called. I think Surf something, Surf Opera. I forget what it's called. And that was pretty good because that did is the guy that wrote it, he made everybody anonymous. So basically, when you go on the internet, you were anonymous. But I think it falls into the wrong hands, so I wouldn't recommend it. Oh, Surf Up, I think it's called. I don't know. We can see if it's available. Let's see if it's available. Surf Up, I think it's called. I don't know. Let's try to see. Surf VPN. Oh, I know why. We gotta go to the Chrome store. Chrome OS. See, Ghosty is working. So, we're looking for, I think it's Ultra. Sir? I don't know if that's what it's called. I can't remember. Oh, here it is. Ultras have security, privacy blocking. And this one too, Eddie the Cookie. Oh, Cookie Monster. See what it does? I don't know if it's any good today. I mean, we can add it to Chrome and see what happens. Let's add it to Chrome. It can read and change all your data and on all websites. Change your search settings. Really? Alright, I guess we won't be adding it to Chrome. I'd have to add it onto our browser that I don't have anything. But at least we know what it's doing. What do people say about it? Where's the reviews? Reviews. Boom. This is what I was afraid of. Constantly opens up ultrasurfing.com. It changes the search engine so it doesn't deserve more than one star. Yeah, that's what happened with me. That's why you have to be careful. But, okay. So, let's go back into the store. What did I say? What if they sell the Cookie Monster? Cookie Monster. Not good anymore, I see. I typed in about VPN and the other one came up. Some of you have to pay for. The other one you have to pay for. But I think it got into the wrong hands. So let's say Ultra Server. And see if that thing comes up again for Cookie. See how it doesn't want to come up again? I may have spelled it wrong. Oh, there it is. Reported abuse. What's it? Maybe not. Okay. It's edit cookies, delete cookies, add cookie, create cookies, search, protect cookies, read only cookie, block cookies, filter, export from JS and escape cookie perfect. What do people say about it? Good and easy, blah blah blah. Okay, so I figure that's why. Okay, but hey, you know what extensions to use, okay? So this is it. If you don't want to use it, you just toggle it that way. If you want to use it, toggle it that way. You see? Very easy. So, here, let's go to YouTube so you can see how it works. But this is just for the extensions for Chrome we're talking about, and what they do and what they don't do. Okay, mine's a little different. I don't have premium on this account, so we need. Well, I can't have premium for all the accounts, so this is pretty much it. But I can go to Albert's. That's me. I do other channels too. Well, I have a lot of channels. I'm actually an actor. I do. Well, you know, you have to. All my channels are listed below on each channel page. Oh yeah, why I got you? That's me too with the music too. Yeah, so this is how mine pops up. You need to get more subscribers. Come on, I know you. I know a lot of you watch my channel. I put the gaming stuff on the channel, but I put it on another channel. But the gaming channel, it's a lot of work. I don't have the time, and you know, it's tedious. I'm just gonna focus on this channel and my other channels. Somebody contact me. No, I think you're a new subscriber. No, I'm not giving up. I know I haven't put much content on here. Well, let's put it this way. To buy things needs money, and I know everybody's struggling out that everything's expensive. Yeah, they had another channel reported they had an Acer Gateway 4K system for $275. Yeah, I seen it in the store, but at the time, what was more important? Food, paying the bills, paying the homeowners association. You know, I had to go that route. Plus, you know, I didn't want another i3. It's an i3 quad core for 8 gig of RAM. You can put 16 gig. I think it can go up higher than that. They put more RAM in it, and they put well, they run a store, so they can put their extra video card in there. But you gotta understand, video card, I would put a bigger power supply and more fans to keep it cool. That's a small computer factory. It has 2 HDMI ports, so you can hook up 2 monitors to it. That's not bad. So then the onboard, the Intel UHD is 4K graphics. That's a fast card, so that's good enough. That will do your gaming. That will do a lot of things. You won't have no problem unless you want to go overboard and you know put a better graphics card in there. But you know you already have it. If you don't like that, if you don't like the onboard, then you would get another card. But remember, the other card has to go into the slot. You know, it's going to require more power. But now the CPU doesn't have to do both graphics. It doesn't have to do CPU and GPU. The GPU is separate. That's the whole reason. Most people go that way with the card. Sometimes the cards fail. You know, it's up to you. Right now, I'm not even using that. I'm just using the built-in APU and the GPU. The APU is 4 cores, and the GPU is 6 cores. That's how AMD did it. Then I have a quad core. I have dual core in the other room, at the studio. That PC, the quad core can go up to the same as fast as this, up to 3 gigahertz. This can go up to, I don't think it can go up to almost 4 gigahertz. I don't know. But anyway, so this is the channel. Well, I was going to tell you. Oh yeah, so there's no more gaming channel. Okay, that's gone. Just want to let you know. WOTB, you know, it's alright. You know, I play a lot of games. You know what I want to really get? I want to get my hands on the driving stick. But oh, talking about other things. Hey, let's keep it simple. This is what's for extensions, and that's what it does. Without the extensions, ads would pop up. Right now, I'm not um, I'm not subscribed to my channel. Let me show you. Well, you'll know the difference. So all these are my channels. This was a gaming channel, but this is what's gonna turn into this. What I'm doing with this? This is no talking, and I'll be showing food that I make, but no talking. Sometimes I speed it up. That's very popular though. I just wanted, and the solar is another channel I do, and these are the channels I do. Do visit them if you do. If you like what's there, subscribe. But this channel, we gotta get up to more watch hours. But we'll get there. I mean, I get 51,000 views. That's good enough for now. But it'd be nice to have more. All right, okay. We have a community tab now, and we have a shorts tab. I'm not doing much shorts for this channel. The community tab, I can tell you what's going on, so don't be shy. You know, there's announcements will go in here. Before I go, this how to fix your Windows. It's basically you get on the internet, you have internet, but you can't get on the internet. And you say, huh? Well, it's a lot of factors. Sometimes 10 and 11, even 7 has this problem. Actually, old version with them. So here, see where it says IP config flush DNS? You run that. That takes care of the DNS, the domain name system. This stuff here you don't have to run. This script used to work, but not with 11. It won't work. It'll say this command can't function. So, but SHINT IP reset. Well, you don't. Well, you that one you won't use. Well, yeah, that's the command. Forget about reset text. So you want to reset the IP. I might make this a little easier for you. So basically, you need to run this, and this. Those 3. That's it. And reboot the computer. And that should fix your problem. Another way to fix it is to go into the device manager and remove the network device. Don't worry. Reboot the computer. Windows will reinstall it. That's how we used to do it in on different government sites I used to work. But this is another way to do it this way. There's something, it gets broken. The TCP IP, the Microsoft client for IP, it gets broken. And this is the only way to fix it. The WinSocket gets damaged. And again, this is the way. And how will it get damaged? It's hard to tell. You know. But a lot of you should be really on 11 and get off 10. 10 is buggy. The little hackers, they know, the ones that like to make viruses, they can get in. So 11 is supposed to be more secure. So at 7, forget 7. 8, and going down to the XP and 95 Windows. Oh, good Lord. Anyway, hey, thanks for watching. I got to go. Don't forget to subscribe.